Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can set a recurring event in Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you have an event on May the 7th, or you have an event every Wednesday, right? Let's say you have a lecture at 7 p.m. every Wednesday. What you want to do is you want to click on the time, right? And you want to click on either the options. Let's say you have the lecture every Wednesday. You want to do is weekly on Wednesday. And then you want to hit save. It will create a recurring event at 7 p.m. on Wednesday every week. If you want it to do daily, you can always set it to daily. And that is how you can set a recurring event in Google Calendar. Thank you.